in this general area. And this is about how I feel like I'm molting every once in a while, periodically. I like to believe we all do, but I want to speak for you. Like snakes and birds and other animals molt. And they're really better for it. It's a little unpleasant at the time. And then you feel like you're sort of reborn. And then the chorus of the song is, I have to admit, it's from a New Yorker cartoon where there's a bunch of babies in a postnatal unit. And one of them has out a phone and saying, and is texting, OMG, I just got born. So that's the fit. Breathing through the skin, soft and breaching, praying, exoskeleton. Don't tell me now, don't tell me it's revolting. Every inch of us, every inch of us, every inch of us a walking miracle. I just got born. Oh God, I just got born. Oh, the juvenile plumage is falling to the forest floor. You lost your teenage plumage, so you make the same mistakes again once more. Don't tell me that you don't see.